Why would all Axopar fans need to be online next week? Because of this. This is my brand new Axopar 37 cross cabin and we're going to make a live stream. Of course it's a great boat and I'm really looking forward to taking this Axopar 37 out on the water. But what I'm most looking forward to is getting these two great babies out on the Westeiner Plassen. These are two Mercury V10 outboards, brand new, and really excited about taking them on the water. And not only that, because we've got the new e-steer, which is something really new. I've never used it, so I'm really anxious to see how that works. And also we've been doing lots of modification as you're used to with my personal boats, so I'll tell you all about it. But also please ask me anything. We're there to answer all your questions, taking this Axopar 37 cross cabin out on the water, and to answer all your questions about these engines, the modifications we're doing, basically anything. So join us next week, Thursday the 30th, 4:30, be there. See you then.